Hello, I'm Raj from Microsoft. Before anything, if you're new to this topic, testability is anything that slows you down or stops you from being able to test the product. This talk is on testability and how it can be improved for the humans and the machines. Humans in the current context includes users, testers and developers. By machines, we're referring to the automated test tools. Now, there are two kinds of testers in the software world. One, those who do understand that testability is a pain point and they're trying to solve this problem for quite some time. Whereas we have other group as well who is the majority and they are also the victims of it, but unfortunately they're quite unaware of the fact and they often attribute their grievances to other causes and they end up investing in the wrong areas by trying to solve different set of problems which are not the real root causes. Don't we know better? Now coming to the foremost of the two, experts know that just knowing that testability is a problem is not sufficient and there is no magic wand which will make it vanish in a flash. Also, poor testability comes in two flavors. First, when a feature is not testable at all and needs immediate attention, and then there is another flavor where it acts as a slow poison which doesn't kill you overnight. And most of the projects where I've worked in, testability doesn't always come as a sudden death. It's not always a showstopper which stops you from going live, and hence people learn to live with it and they continue paying prices for it. Teams whisper about it, they crib about it, they complain about it, they want to solve the problems, but solving is not easy when you have already made a mistake. And it goes on like this till the maintenance and the testing cost goes so high that customer can't afford it anymore and the product eventually fails. I'm sure you would agree that either of the flavors is not so good for us. So what do we do about it? So the presentation will suggest solutions on how to ascertain if the system's behavior is correct, and if the incorrect behavior is detected, how to easily and quickly diagnose or locate and find the actual root cause of the misbehavior. In real world, the testability is nothing but attempting to use the product and sincerely hoping it to work and finding out that you are not able to determine or predict the behavior reliably and getting stuck at that point. Now that shows the testability is equally applicable to users as well and is their pain point as well. The challenge we are facing today is the need to look beyond component level and focus on system requirements and the lifecycle maintenance support when it comes to testability. This work is a sincere attempt to propose few unorthodox yet doable solutions to help miraculously escape from this giant of a ghost called testability, which can ultimately help in improving the testability for the testers and the end users. The two principal goals for improving testability here will be controlling the cost of quality and at the same time achieving mission success. Solutions will be proposed around design changes like building self-testable features including built-in test. There will be few more which I'm not spilling the beans now. To improve automated testability, talk will also try to address and overcome the rat race challenge, which I refer to the scenario when automation tools and the automation code constantly try to catch up with the new advancements in the development tools and the changes made to the code due to, say, requirement change or a bug fix, or which mostly breaks the automation. Another monster that would need to be addressed here is to achieve testability when there are infinite permutations and combinations and large set of real data available to be tested with, and you don't know which data is more important and how to go about it. Last but not the least, how correlation between testability and the other factors like usability, accessibility and discoverability can turn the tables in your favor. After all, testability is nothing but the ease with which you can test a feature, and that too reliably. To end it, we should practice testability with karma yoga, which means achieving perfection in action, and help the sufferers get rid of their testability pains by acting as good Samaritans. Thank you for listening.